Okay, welcome to the third part three of today's class. We are gonna focus on practicing some exercises. We are gonna do some exercises in our workbook. Remember that we are studying should. Also, I want to remind you that if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me with your questions. This is my contact information. If you have any questions, any concerns about the class, send me a text message, send me an email, or just use our WhatsApp group, okay? So let's go and talk more about should. Remember that when you use the modal verb should, you're using it to express an advice or opinion. So when you want ask people about an advice or opinion, you use should. Or when you want to express your opinion or you want to give an advice, or when people they want to express their opinion, they want to give an advice, they usually use should. Okay? Important thing is that every time you use should, see, important thing, just want to make sure that you understand all this is that there is nothing here. Okay, there's nothing here. So don't use you should to. There's no to here. Okay, no to. So there's nothing. The base verb, they go together. They appear right after the other. Okay, see here, they are together here. Okay, should plus go. Okay, they are all together here. So don't use to here. You should to go. No, you should go. Okay. Also, everything. Another thing that I want you to remember is this. Okay. You do not need another helper verb. Okay. You do not need another helper verb. Don't use do. Don't use does. You don't need that. You don't need that. Why? I'm going to show you. Because should functions as a helper verb. Should is already a helper verb. Okay? So when you are doing the negative or when you are doing the interrogative, you use should as a helper verb. Okay? This is very important for you to remember. Questions? Don't forget, write your questions down and send them to me or wait for our Zoom meeting. Okay? But I want you now to open your workbook. Open your workbook, pages 44 and 45. And now we are going to do some exercises. So go ahead, open your book and go to page 44. And this time we are going to do exercise 1 and exercise 2. Okay? Exercise 1 and exercise 2. Okay, so first, I want you to focus on exercise 1. You have to circle should or shouldn't. I'm gonna give you some time. Just do the exercise, okay? Exercise 1, just exercise 1 for now, okay? Go ahead. Okay, so now let's do our correction. Exercise 1, workbook page 44. Circle should or shouldn't. So number 1, Carl's tooth hurts. He should or shouldn't go to the dentist? He should go to the dentist. This was just an example, so I believe everybody got that one correct. So let's go to number 2. The children are all sick. They should or shouldn't go to school today? The correct answer is they shouldn't go to school today. They shouldn't go to school today. That's the correct answer. Number 3, my eyes hurt. I should or shouldn't watch TV right now? The correct answer is I shouldn't watch TV right now. I shouldn't watch TV right now. That's the correct answer. Number 4, your leg is very sore. You should or shouldn't get an x-ray? Correct answer is you should get an x-ray. You should get an x-ray. Number 5, Mario hurt his back. He should or shouldn't see a doctor? The correct answer is he should see a doctor. He should see a doctor. And number 6, we ate a big lunch. We should or shouldn't eat a big dinner? We shouldn't eat a big dinner. The correct answer is we shouldn't eat a big dinner. Easy or difficult, everybody? I hope you're doing okay. If you have any questions, please just let me know. Okay? So now let's move on and go to exercise number 2. Now you have to complete the sentences. You have to use should or shouldn't. So number 2, you see that you have some empty spaces there. You have to complete with should or shouldn't. Again, I'm going to give you some time, and then after the music finishes, we are going to do the correction together. Okay? So pay attention, and let's do exercise number 2. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do the correction. Exercise number 2, page 44. Complete the sentences. Use should or shouldn't. Number 1. Uncle Pete has a bottle of medicine. He shouldn't keep it in a hot place. He should keep it away from children. Okay, so now let's go to number 2. You just have to follow the example. So, Sue has a headache. She shouldn't listen to loud music. She shouldn't listen to loud music. She should take some aspirin. She should take some aspirin. Okay, these are the correct answers. Let's go to number 3. Abel has a stomach ache. Abel has a stomach ache. He should take some medicine. He should take some medicine. He shouldn't eat his lunch. He shouldn't eat his lunch. If you have any questions, just let me know. Write them down and ask me later. Okay, I hope you're doing fine. Number 4, Francine has a sprained ankle. She shouldn't play soccer. She shouldn't play soccer. She should get a pair of crutches. She should get a pair of crutches. Number 5, I'm very hot. I don't feel well. You should drink a lot of water. You should drink a lot of water. You shouldn't stay in the sun. You shouldn't stay in the sun. And number 6, Mrs. Lamb hurt her leg. She should see a doctor. She should see a doctor. And she shouldn't walk. She shouldn't walk. Okay? Questions? Just let me know. Okay? Now let's go to the next exercise. Next page, page 45. We have exercises 3 and 4. So I need you to do exercises 3 and 4. Exercise 3, you have to complete the sentences with these words that you have here: break, close, shade, sun, towel, and water. And then number 4, you have to complete the sentences using should or shouldn't. Okay, I'm gonna give you some time and then we're gonna do the correction after. Okay, do exercises 3 and 4. Oops, sorry about that. Let's do it again. Great. So now let's go ahead with the correction. Exercise 3, complete the sentences. You're working outside. It's very hot. What should you do? What shouldn't you do? You shouldn't wear heavy clothes. Okay, you shouldn't wear heavy clothes. You should take a break and drink a lot of water. You should take a break and drink a lot of water. You should use a wet towel. You should use a wet towel. You shouldn't stay in the sun. You should stay in the shade. You shouldn't stay in the sun. You should stay in the shade. Okay? This is the correction of exercise number 3. Easy or difficult? Let's go to number 4. Complete the sentences. Use should or shouldn't. The flu. What should you do? What shouldn't you do? You should see your doctor. Number 2. You shouldn't work. You shouldn't work. Number 3. You should rest. You should rest. Number 4. You should take medicine. You should take medicine. Number 5. You should drink a lot of water. You should drink a lot of water. And number 6. You shouldn't go out. You shouldn't go out. Okay? And this is the end of today's class. I hope you have enjoyed our time together. Remember, if you have any questions, this is my contact information. You can contact me anytime. Just let me know how you're doing. Let me know how I can help you. And just give me your feedback, okay? I hope to see you soon, and I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye-bye.